Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter coming to you from the Man Cave Studios. If you see my previous video, you seen where I had 3 Traditions black powder firearms. And this is one of them. It's the Kentucky pistol. This is the one I'll be starting on first. As you see, I got it all laid out. Had some history on it. And this right here is, of course, all the legal stuff. You see a lot of red in here. It's almost like when you watch those commercials about medication, what it can do to you. The side effects. But it's full of it. Step by step. And this is how to put it together. Very good, detailed paperwork. Let's see if I get it open for you, folks. Hold on. Tells you all about it. Seems to be a straightforward process. No problem. How to load. And there's the gun. This is the finish I'm going to go with right here. Let's see, get it up there. English chestnut. I read up on it, and they say that's as close to the original besides boiled linseed oil. But I'm going to try this one first. The owner told me, he says, do whatever you want with the finish on the wood. He wants to go traditional, the blue on the barrel. These kits are made in Spain. As you see right there, they're made in Spain. The company is out of Connecticut. There's all my prep stuff for just the sanding. Of course, safety stuff. I found out the wood is beech wood. They use that. The company is over 40 years old, founded in 1983. It's headquartered in Old Saybrook, Connecticut. The kits I told you, they're made in Spain. They not only have black powder rifle and pistol kits, but they also have mini cannons. They have mini old Ironsides, mini Napoleon III, mountain howitzers, and a 69 caliber 12-inch barrel old Ironside. Very interesting if you're interested in that. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on how I'm starting out. This is going to be the first one, and then I'm going to go to the Kentucky rifle and then on to the blunderbuss. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on my progress here. So today, this is all I'm going to be doing is working on the wood here. You see it's got a little bit more finishing to do. But stay tuned. That's all I got to say. And I appreciate everybody tuning into my channel. I appreciate you. Share it with your friends, folks. Give it a thumbs up. And those who haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd appreciate it. And as always, God bless America. Stay safe and watch your six. And I stand with the people of Ukraine.